In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in a Kia Rio key fob. This device was used on Rios between 2015 and 2017, and it takes one of these 2032 coin batteries to run. The first step is to turn it over, hold down this silver button, and remove the internal key. Set that to the side, and now you'll see a keyhole, and opposite that a smaller indentation. Can take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into the hole, hold the device firmly, and twist until you have made a little separation in the two halves of the plastic. And now I like to just go down twisting until you can easily pull the two halves of the device apart with your fingers. There we go. Often when you open this thing up for the first time, you're going to have this circuit board come out. So if that happens, don't worry. Just set both of those to the side for right now. Here's our battery. We're going to take the very same tool, come in from the bottom and get under the battery, lifting it up, gently prying the battery up. Where are we going from? Right there. Right in the center there, you can just lift the battery up. Take a new 2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face down, and you can just click it back into place like that. Now, if your circuit board came out, just look for the curve on the side of this rubber component here. There's a flat side and a curved side. Same goes with the circuit board. There's the curved side. We're gonna line them up. Gently let it fall into place and just push it down. It doesn't take much force. You don't want to damage anything. And now set this battery side of the device on top. Click everything back together and put your key back in. And you are good to go with a new battery in your Rio key fob. If you ever need to change the battery in another one of your key fobs, you can always find more videos here on our YouTube channel, or you can check us out at fobbattery.com.